Hi, Dr. Q here from Star Nursery. One of the biggest problems with our flower beds and lawns this time of year is the presence of weeds. The combination of higher humidity this summer and slightly cooling temperatures are ideal conditions for both plant and weed growth. If you do have a weed problem, use a post-emergent weed killer like Roundup or Bayer's Durazone to kill existing weeds and grass in rocked areas and tree wells. Be careful, these products can hurt your desirable plants if you don't keep them off the leaves or exposed roots. For broadleafed weeds in lawns like dandelion, spurge, oxalis, or clover, you can use a weed and feed product to fertilize as well as kill the weeds. Or treat with broadleaf weed killers like Ortho Weed Begone or Bayer's all-in-one weed killer. Always follow the label instructions when applying any weed killer. And don't spray when it's windy. This may cause damage to nearby plants. And to prevent possible damage to the lawn, some of these products recommend not to spray when temperatures are over 85 to 90 degrees. If you don't have a weed problem now because you've kept after them or you've just finished eliminating them, now is the time to use pre-emergent herbicides or weed preventers. A maize, grass, and weed preventer and preen garden weed preventer are designed to be used in flower beds or shrub beds and in tree wells. These products are also great to use in desert landscapes where the ground cover is predominantly rock. All of these pre-emergent herbicides must be applied before seed germination takes place and should be applied now in the early fall as well as in the early spring. They prevent weeds by forming a chemical barrier at the soil surface that prevents the seedlings from emerging from the ground. As long as this seal or barrier is not broken, it is effective up to 12 weeks. Remember, pre-emergents work on all seeds. That means that you cannot use them where you have just planted or are about to plant seeds of any kind. You must wait until your desirable seeds have germinated and are growing above ground before applying any pre-emergent herbicides. And remember, doctor's orders, don't disturb the soil after applying. For more information on this topic, check out our free Star Notes number 625 and 630 at any Star location or at starnursery.com. And don't forget, I make house calls. Call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. I'm Dr. Q, and I'll see you next week.